ready to hand over to the US. But for them to, if they should be, because the handover is really ceremonial. It's a ceremonial, as we say, it's a ceremonial handover. We remain prepared to hand over here in South Africa, in Johannesburg. So they need to, if they want a ceremonial handover, they must come to the Leaders Summit and we will hand over to them. If they don't come, we will make a pronouncement about the outcomes of the summit, the Leaders' Declaration. So as to how they will start their process, I mean, it will be up to them. Maybe they will call a meeting and say, we are now starting. It's really up to them. Our job will end when there's a declaration and there's an end date. From that date, South Africa is done with this rule. We will have handed over to them here in Johannesburg if they come. But if they don't come, we will just issue the declaration. And the US will decide how they want to continue in the next year. But from our side, we'll have done what we're supposed to do, which is to deliver an outcome of the summit. What is our view?